Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create album in Google Photos and then how to share Google Photos to your loved one. For example, if you want to create an album, just select the photos you want to put in the album. Then after selecting, just click on this plus icon. After you click this plus, select album. Now after that it will tell add a title to the album, create any, say I am giving here name demo, and then you can add location to your album from the map, or all you can add suggested location. And then once you are done, just click on this right button present on the corner, and then here you have now created an album called as demo. Now to share Google Photos in this album, just click on the share button, and then you can see the first option, get link, or you can directly send by email or on Facebook or by messenger or by WhatsApp. If you want a link, then you can just click on get the link, and then it will start creating the link and it will show done, link copied. Now suppose if you want to send this link, just open the messenger and then open to whom you want to send the link. Here I am sending it to myself, and then just paste it and send this link. Now it will send this link and it will show this link along with the photos. If you click it, then it will launch the album directly, and then you can see the photos selected here. This is how you can create albums in Google Photos and share Google Photos to your loved ones. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if the video helped you.